Hello, my name is Victor. On this refrigerator, I replaced the evaporator fan. The reason was because sometimes it's turning and sometimes it's not. The reason is when this fan is heating up, stop. When it cools down, uh, start turning again, but it's making a loud noise. And then that is the reason I replaced the fan with a new one. And after that, everything was working fine again. And also this fan is different. It's not like a common fan. This one is have different speed, medium speed, low speed, and high speed. And also this work with DC power. This is the difference with the regular fans. I hope you like this video. If you like, just give me a like. Thank you so much. Bye. Un canal que tengo solo para escuchar la diferencia.